It is very easy to learn something, but easier to forget. I have an easiest way of learning, and that is talk to me. Yes, you heard it right. Talk to me. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Nabras Mehdi Zaidi, Assistant Professor of Law, Kamala Nehru Institute of Physical and Social Sciences, Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. This is something really very unfortunate when we hear people saying that I have no one to talk to or we have no one to talk. At this moment of time, I would like to share my personal experience because I think that people around the globe are facing this problem. They are suffering from huge mental health, they are suffering from depression, frustration, and so on. So, what I do is I talk with people. I talk whatever comes into my mind, whatever comes into my heart. I just talk. I talk about my pains. I talk about my happiness. I talk about my creativity. I talk about my likes and my dislikes. Whatever comes into my mind, I just talk. I just talk. And you need not to find someone very special to talk. You can make them special by talking to them. So it is my personal piece of advice to all of you that just come up with your emotions, man. Come up and speak. Just talk. Talk your emotions, talk your happiness, talk your pains, talk your feelings, talk about your creativity, talk about the kind of person you are. Just talk. Whatever you like, whatever you dislike, just talk. And you will see your life changing drastically. You will witness your life changing drastically. A better picture coming up, a joyful picture coming up. And you will start loving yourself the way I do. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm making this video because many of my students generally ask a very common question, that what is the difference between article and section. I have seen students asking and I have seen students avoiding the same question because they think it is a really very tiny or little thing to ask. But dear students, avoiding or ignoring something is not the solution. Someday it will create a mess in your understanding. And to avoid that mess, someday I am making this video today. Hope I'll be helpful. So the basic difference between article and section is this, that articles are the fundamental norms which are incorporated in any law of land. Like in India, the supreme law of land is our Indian constitution, the constitution of India, Bharat ka Samvidhan. So whenever any elaborated form of document is there which is incorporated in the law of land, the basic law of land, the supreme law of land, which talks about the fundamental norms, they are called as articles. As in India, we have in the fundamental norms are described in our Indian constitution. You can also see the international conventions and you can also see UN charters. There they have articles because they talk about the general welfare of the society, of the community and of the country. They talk about the general growth of the country as a whole. They talk about the security of a country as a whole. They talk about the basic things which prevails, which make a country, which prevails inside the country and which make a country. So sections are the very very tiny piece of law. They are the specific piece of law. When any specific legal code is defined in any act, they are called as section. Like we have in Indian Penal Code 1860 and we also have in Indian Contract Act 1872 and so on. The list goes on. We have a huge list of laws. So I hope you are clear that articles are the basic laws on which the pith and substance rely of the any law, and according to the need of the society the law comes up. Like before 2005 we were not having any Right to Information Act, but in 2005 Right to Information Act came into force. In 2005 Domestic Violence Act also came into force, and prior to 2005 we were not having any such act. But after 2005 we were having. So we had these laws because these were the challenges faced by our country on a constant basis, and hence the need of a law arises and a new law came up. So whenever a new law came up, whenever a new law comes, it can never ever break or violate or infringe any of the article, any of the basic law or fundamental norms incorporated in our Indian Constitution. So they are called as articles, and the specific laws, specific legal codes are called as sections. And having said that, I want to tell you one more thing, that it is not necessary that every constitution of every country, like constitution of every country, should have articles in it. It may have clauses, it may have sections, it may have paragraphs, it may have the articles as well. So it's up to the parliament, it's up to the legislatures, but in India we have articles and we have sections. I think I am clear in my explanation, and once again I would like to mention that please do take care of your mental health. It is really very important, because so many people loves you, so many people care for you. Start sharing, start caring. It's not about talking too much, it's about loving your own self too much.